Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Miyu Shiromine. Code ADN503. Released on November 7, 2023. And it has 120 minutes watch time. The story is about father-in-law and his daughter-in-law. One day, the couple visit the old guy house and that night they had a dinner. Afterwards, they had a couple of drinks. They got drunk, so her husband fall asleep. Apparently, the old guy was so drunk, the old guy makes a move. So the next day, the old guy talked to the girl and talk about what happened last night. So the old guy apologized what he did last night and gave her money for forgiveness. However, the old guy wants something in return. The old guy makes a move. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story begun.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.